Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the fourth unit of data mining. That is, we will be discussing in detail about cluster analysis, guys. Okay, so I hope everyone knows that clustering is the concept which comes in unsupervised learning, guys. So basically, here the data which we are giving as an input is not labeled. So the computer or the algorithm or the machine should only understand the patterns in it and it need to respond on those things, right? Okay, so that concept is nothing but unsupervised learning, guys. Okay, so now let us go through what is a cluster first of all. Okay, yes, so let me go through the definition, then I'll be explaining you guys. Okay, so a cluster is a collection of data objects which are similar to one another with the cluster and dissimilar to objects belonging to other cluster. Okay, so let me take an example of two different clusters, guys. One is a cluster of triangles and the second one is cluster of squares. Okay, so if I ask you to make a circle so that both of them are separate, so you'll be making this in this way and this in this way, right? Yes, so here if you observe, if you take this item and this item, these two belong to a single cluster. So this box is not, this circle is nothing but a cluster, guys, a group of items. Okay, yes, so in between these two, if you observe, they are 100%, not 100%, they are similar to each other, right? Yes, when you compare with some other cluster, they are completely different, guys. So this concept is nothing but cluster, guys. So in simple words, you can say among themselves they are similar. When you compare with someone else in some other cluster, they are completely different, right? So that concept is nothing but cluster. Okay, yes, so clusterization or cluster analysis, okay, so is a unsupervised machine learning process that creates clusters such that data inside a cluster are close to each other and so far apart from data points in other cluster. So basically here also we are saying the same definition. So clustering is nothing but the process of dividing them. So that process is nothing but clustering. So even here also our goal is to keep the similar items nearer to each other and in one place, and dissimilar items far to each other, and among themselves they are dissimilar, and among these are similar, right? Yes, so I hope everyone got it clear. So these are some examples, guys, just for understanding how to draw them. Here we are having circles and triangles. Okay, so two clusters. Okay, similarly circles, triangles and positive symbol, so three clusters, right? Yes, so what is the good quality of a cluster, guys? Okay, so if you recall, I told you one thing, right? So between these things, right, so that is the good quality, guys. So I'll be just going through the statement. A good cluster method will produce a high quality cluster, so with high intra class similarity. So intra means inside the class they are 100% highly similar, or inter class distance is more. So basically these distance between those things. So remember one more thing, guys. So whenever the clusters distance is more, the accuracy will be that much accurate, guys. Remember that thing, right? Yes, okay, so here high intra class, sorry, inside the class they should be same. Okay, and inter cluster, that is nothing but in between those classes the distance should be more. Okay, similarly one more point is nothing but low interclass similarity. So basically in between different classes the similarity should be less, or intra cluster distance. So basically inside the distance should also be less, right? Yes, so in this way you can just draw a diagram and you can showcase it, guys. Okay, yes, so I hope everyone got a basic idea about a cluster analysis and the good quality cluster. Okay, yes, so in the next lecture we'll be discussing about some problems with clustering, guys, right? So for anything you are doing, some problems will be there, right? So those things we'll be discussing, and we will also discuss about the applications of clustering, guys. Okay, yes, so let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you, thanks for watching.